Hi, Tom Cantrell here. If you have knee pain and want to avoid surgery or a lifetime of pain medications, I have some important information for you when I come back. Knee pain doesn't have to wait until surgery is your only option. I've been associated with the special physicians at NYC Pain MD for quite a while. If you're in pain and want to avoid the risk and stress of surgery, or the toxic side effects of pain pills, if you've tried other medical treatments and failed to get the relief you deserve, then you owe it to yourself to reach out to the doctors at NYC Pain MD. They are the go-to experts for non-surgical orthopedic pain treatments. Their patients come from all over the Northeast for their state-of-the-art pain relief programs, not just for painful arthritic knees, but also shoulders, hips, necks, backs, herniated disc, and even more. Their goal is to get you feeling better, get you moving better, and keep you out of surgery. Now take a look at this. Suffering with knee or joint pain from arthritis or other sources? Having difficulty walking, climbing stairs, exercising, or on simple daily activities? Been told that the only solution is surgery or a lifetime of pain medicines? Now there's an alternative. The experienced physicians at NYC Pain MD offer the latest in digital imaging technology to precisely place FDA-approved cushioning, pain-relieving gel medicines exactly where you need it. No surgery, no hospital, no anesthesia. Treatments are virtually painless. You'll have little or no downtime and go home with nothing but a 1-inch Band-Aid. More good news. These advanced treatments are covered by many insurances, even Medicare. NYC Pain MD now offers a no-cost, no-obligation screening appointment to find out if you're a candidate. Call now. Set up your no-cost, risk-free evaluation. Call 800-622-PAIN. That's 800-622-PAIN. Well, there you have it. No surgery, no hospital, no anesthesia, no potentially addictive medications. Virtually painless FDA-approved treatment. Most insurances accepted, even Medicare. Want to find out if they can help you too? Every case is different, so NYC Pain MD offers a no-cost, no-obligation screening appointment to find out if they can help. So what are you waiting for? It's time to set up your free, no-obligation screening today and find out if you're a candidate. Here's how to get an appointment or get more information. Simply click the button on your screen and provide us with your contact information. An information kit will go out as soon as possible. Or if you prefer to talk to someone at the clinic right away, just call 800-622-PAIN. 800-622-PAIN. Let them know you need more information or an appointment for the free no-obligation pain screening. Again, 800-622-PAIN. And hopefully, you'll be on your way to feeling much better soon. For NYC Pain MD, I'm Tom Cantrell.